So from the football field going, that's where you have other people doing their work. Like, let's see. So I'll tell you how many minutes walk to get to the main junction.
Walking or driving?
Walk.
From where to where?
No, from.
Oh, you started everything?
Yeah. Not the video, but when we left that place, I checked the time, it was 1:33.
Okay.
So depending on how long it will take us to get there, we'll know how many. So you see, another person doing their property over there. So you see, and right here again, another person building another.
Not just one person.
So you see, so you have football field, you have hospital, you have school. Children don't have problem. So this video is for around the building. So you see this other foundation is a little bit downward. This one is high. It's because the land is sloping. So if you can see the land is sloping, there is a swamp close to you. What's that? Yeah, now water will go there. So that's it. So it's sloping, but it's a beautiful land though. So this is it. This is the well. So from the foundation here to the well, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 steps with my short legs. So imagine for you that I can wear size 40. So that's good. So this is it. Yeah. So the other people that are building, that is their place across this valley. That is their place over there. So you see it? Yeah, that's their place. Yes. Azume.
Oh, okay. Well, on the video now.
Yeah. So this is it. And this is your front view. Frontal view. That's it.
Yeah, hello. Oh, you saw where?
Now we are heading to where Uncle is. Yeah. I think the foundation is solid for the story you want to put here. Yeah. So this is it. Oh. Wow. You see it? So this is solid. The foundation is solid. It's really up. I don't know if you can see this. You see where it's coming from all the way here. So the foundation ends here. So even as it is on a hard ground, the foundation is solid to withstand whatsoever. So that is it. I don't know their plans, so I can't be able to describe. This is the kitchen side.
Oh,
but,
yeah, that's true.
But she should know. Yeah. So this is the entire view, Rhoda. This is the entire view. This is the place. I think I see a block. I don't know if they are building. I think someone is also constructing their property over there.
There's a mission up there.
Yeah. So I think for now that is the only building I see, and I see another small building over there with the resin.
Yeah, there's a mission there, a gas mission.
Okay. So that is it. So aside that, this is the entire property. And yeah. And which is okay. hot. This is the entire view of the property. If you look over there, you see the cornerstone. You look at that side, you see the next cornerstone. So that is it. So I'm taking you through the building now. So the place is a dried land, although it's a muddy one with clay, but it's a dry land. It's not a swammy land. So this is it. I don't know your house plan, so I won't be able to tell you which is which, but this is it. So they have already filled in. I think what is left now is for you guys to start raising the building. So I think this is your entrance. Also, I don't know how your house went, but yes, that is it. That's uncle. Okay. And that is the building of the caretaker, or where the caretaker resides. I don't know if you can see the cornerstone from that side. Let me try and zoom in. Okay, so that's the other cornerstone right there. Oh, yeah. So from the entrance here, this is your main entrance to the property. This is the main entrance. This is the road. So this is a front view land. This is the road leading straight into your property. So that is it. That's the road, and here is your cornerstone, and that is the other one. I think I showed you in the other video. And this is the caretaker's home. So that is it. So from there you see that's the other cornerstone. So that is it. Yeah. So this is it. So that is it, brother. That is it.